Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Skoda Kodiaq SEL. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 32,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Meteor Grey and it's in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, we have a nice clean interior. The seats are half leather and suede and the front seats are also heated. There's an armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has cruise control, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers. And on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. And just below that, you've also then got your switch for the electric tailgate. The Kodiaq's a great car for the family, so nice wide door openings, lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre, as well as a charging port as well. As I previously mentioned, the tailgate's electric, and that opens to reveal a really good sized boot there, which goes back a long way with the split folding rear seats there in the centre. Your third row seats to turn the car into a 7-seater. You've also got storage there for the parcel shelf when it's not in use. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 19-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.